So this is us ready to go to Mickey's. Not so scary. Look at this wee cute man. Looking very cute.
We're going to get the boat?
Yeah, so we're going to get the boat. Head over. Got my Mickey's t-shirt on. Kieran's got the same one on. So we're just heading over. So this is day 3 part 2. Or a continuation if this morning wasn't long enough, but I'm sure it was. But, so we're just heading over. We've got 2 lightning lanes booked. We've got Big Thunder booked, and we have Seven Dwarfs Mine Train booked. We've paid for the Seven Dwarfs though, but it just means then if we've got 2 main ones done, it means that the rest of the night we can just trick or treat and meet some characters. So we're just going to take the boat over just now. With one wee excited boy behind me, so we're just going to head over just now and get ourselves ready, get into the park, get our bags, and go on a couple of rides. So we'll take you along again tonight, and again it's going to be fantastic. Today was a really good day, so hopefully tonight's the same. Okay, here we go. Queue for Mickey's.
If this is the first
You got his?
it's just going to be everything after that. So, this is just the Halloween party? Yes. So it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Kieran. That's us, man.
Don't forget to grab a wristband from behind.
Well done, thank you.
Get that first shot.
Thank you, my man. Thank you, man. Thank you. Kieran, get your bag. I've got it. Teaser.
Oh, hi. Hey there, bud. You want a wristband? Awesome. You knew just what to do. Are you excited? I'm jealous. I wish I could go in there. You're going to eat so much candy. Oh,
I've got mine.
Can I get your right receipt? That's okay. Do you want it down here or up here? Up. Is that okay? Yeah, that's better. The ribbons have changed. Thank you. Of course. Have fun.
Thank you. Bye. What? Don't think his will stay on.
You magic band?
He's got it on.
Welcome.
Welcome, thank you, thank you. The maps. Get that in there.
Leave your best.
Woo! Thank you.
Good boy.
No knees. These aren't 50th ones. Right to the end, folks. Right to the end. Oh, never. Wait there. Go here.
Hello, friend.
Hi. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, this is our bag for the night. It's not any paper anymore. It's kind of kind of plastic bag for life kind of idea. 50th anniversary. Did you get your bag for trick or treating? So your bags.
Skittles then. Skittles. Come in, guys. Gotta get some energy to push out.
Thank you. First Halloween sweetie is almond brownie and dark chocolate. Is that you? Get your first sweetie? That's okay, you'll get plenty more. You'll get plenty more. That's okay.
Want me to keep your bag for you just now?
So the maps. You'll only get treats. Thank you Tom, thank you.
Take it back.
Before we get in line for anything.
Look at this. Mr. Morrow. I believe you get the stuff with me. What up? How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Ready?
Hey, nice to meet you.
Typical. So we just met Nate there from Page of Mr. Morrow. Fantastic videos, you should go and watch them. But I brought some sweets from Scotland, like just some kind of bounty and chocolate orange, packet of Monster Munch, just some stuff for him, you know. And I've had it in my bag for the last 3 days. And I thought, okay, he'll not be at Mickey's, not so scary. I said, so I'll just leave it in the room. Typical. Walk through the door, first person we meet, Nate from the Page of Mr. Morrow. But I says to him that we'll meet him, catch up with him during the week. He's going to be here over the week. So if he's, I said to him, it's Animal Kingdom tomorrow, so he might come, and I'll give him his stuff tomorrow. So that was nice meeting him, wasn't it? He's a very nice guy. Looks to be a bit different compared. He's like a big kid me. A big kid meeting him. That's great. We meet these guys. So I'm going to head round to Big Thunder just now. I'm going to go on some stuff. Then we're coming back to Seven Dwarfs, and then we're going to do a wee bit of trick or treating. So as I said, that was my first bag we've got, and we're just heading round just now. Lovely Davy Crockett hats. For the raccoon. Big Bell Jamboree. And proof that Mickey's not so scary isn't just for the young. Fantastic. Right there. Enjoy it. This is Tron. I'm not doing any testing. I've seen a few bits of testing going on, but no testing today. Getting everything ready. So, 30 over. What's that?
I can claim it.
Ready?
Daddy, why is it
50 seconds. That's it finished, pal. We are. So this is us, the first character meet and greet for where Mickey's Not So Scary. And it's Donald. We've got a photo pass as well, so I'm going to. I'll ask one of the character from it as well.
Donald on this side and the other side. You'll go around the slide for me. Do not get on the slide, and you will go make Goofy and make Minnie on the other side.
Okay.
Good magic band.
Coming. Go on. Thank you. Hi. Did you hold that for us to film? Did you film that for us as well?
Gotcha,
doing it,
yeah. You start to sit down right over here for me. Hey, boy. Yeah, you too.
Thanks very much. Thank you. Go round this way. Oh, round this way. Oh, it's a threefer. It's a threefer. I know.
Hello, my
Hi. Hi.
We're gonna wait right here. There.
Thank you.
Look at that. It's like you're almost matching me.
Yeah. Rambo.
Hi, my friend's
Right, come.
going to use photo pass today.
Yeah.
Wonderful. He'll come and stand with you in just a moment.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Hi, friend.
There we go.
Thank you.
And we can set our things as we come in just around this corner there.
Thank you. Leave your wee bag. Oh.
Hey. Like cuddles?
Cuddles. Oh. Oh, love you. Oh, do you love that, Kieran?
Kieran, you love hot?
Oh.
You get a picture with Minnie?
So exciting. Awesome job.
Thank you. Do you mind holding it while we get a wee photo? It's just filming.
Oh,
Thank you
wait,
so
sorry, what was, you just wanted pictures with this camera too, you said?
No, just filming.
Oh, just film. I got you, absolutely.
There we go. And one more big smile. Awesome job. Right up here. Good job, that was awesome.
Love that. There you are, absolutely, absolutely.
Smile.
Welcome, welcome.
Awesome job.
Thank you.
There we go.
Oh, sorry. Thank you so much. Thank you. Same to you.
Awesome, thank you.
Kieran, one over here. This is great. This is great, isn't it? This is really good. His wee face. Look, who's that?
Have a great day.
Go, it's your turn. Look. Yeah. Thank you.
Do you want to give him a hug? Oh.
Do you mind filming?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
He likes your shoes. Do they light up? Can you stomp them for him? Oh, nice. I know, we need to get you some light up shoes, Goofy. Yeah. Look over at my friend. Look right over here.
Good.
Are we missing something?
Look at me, smile.
Oh.
There you go. There you go.
Yes, sir. No problem. Don't forget his candy bag.
You'll not forget that. It's got nothing in it, the poor soul.
You say bye-bye?
Say bye-bye. Bye. Thank you so much. So this is what first trick or treat. Hi, happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Oh, gonna end up dizzy. Oh, did you drop your ears again? Oh. Excuse me. Right, go, let's go. Grab your bag and let's go, buddy.
Sorry.
Come on, let's go. Nonsense. Hey, that's cheek. Oh, here we go.
Happy Halloween.
He's first bag. Happy Halloween.
I don't like that one.
You'll like some of them. Don't trust me. You'll like some of them. Oh, those are just the one. Sorry. It's okay. You'll get loads more on the way round. I like strawberry. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks, same to you. Hi. Happy Halloween. Thank you. Same to you. Bye.
Superhero, okay? So maybe you're Spider-Man, maybe you're Iron Man, maybe you're Black Widow or Black Panther or Hawkeye. Who's your favorite superhero, okay? Here we go. Nancy, Spider-Man, I like it, Nancy. Vampirina, Spider-Man too, wow. Twins, you're Spider-Man, Moana. We got a lot of Spider-Mans. Is anybody a different superhero? Oh, you're Superman. I can't talk about you. You're at the other park. Who are you, Princess Anna? Iron Man. I like it, Anna. What about you, Descendants? Who are you? Who? Thor. I like it. Good job. All right, here we go. All right, guys. Last one. Now, when I say freeze, I want you guys to pose like your parents do in pictures. Okay? Pose like your parents do in pictures. All right, here we go. Freeze!
Back in the castle at night. Beautiful, isn't it? So I've done no bad so far. We're just going to go around the side of the castle, head to Adventureland and get some food. Aye, it's round that way. That's Cinderella's round table we have for breakfast. That's where we got engaged, up there. I love to stay in there's actually a hotel room just in here, Cinderella's room. Be worth a few quid to stay there, that's for sure. So, not sure what shows or what fireworks are going to be shown later on, as it's very, very wet. So we're just heading round to Adventureland to get some food. It's quite funny. Kieran's not a big chocolate fan, so every time he goes through and he gets chocolate, oh, I don't want the chocolate, I want the sweet. So I have to change the sweeties, but he's doing it right as we stop. So, yeah, so it's beautiful. Beautiful. So just heading round. Been a good night so far. Met his characters, met the dance party. So just food now. We've got plenty of sweeties. We can get more sweeties. We've still got about 4 hours. It's 2 minutes past 8, so we've got up until 4 hours. So it's up to 12 o'clock. Plenty of time to go and get more sweeties. Going to catch some parades, catch some fireworks hopefully. Head round. And we'll head round. So I'll show you the food that we get. This is Sleepy Hollow. I'm sure there's something that you can get from here. So I'll see what we get from here. If we get something, I'll show you. If not, then we'll head to Adventureland and I'll show you the pie.
Captain Broadside here, and it's my favorite time of year.
There's Jafar.
Sure, Halloween is a time to gladden an old pirate's heart. Of course, I don't exactly have a heart these days, but I can still heave-ho in the hits.
That radio's brilliant, isn't it? So I'll end up getting the pie that I've shown you. So I'll just have it. I'm going to take the eye off. I don't fancy the eye. There's two googly eyes. Buffalo chicken. That's really nice, actually, isn't it?
Good one.
Try and try that. That's really nice. So this is the Pain and Panic. Went for the foot long. Maybe post the fries. So I don't know what this is. What is it?
Chutney.
Onion chutney?
Thank you.
Well, I'll try it anyway. Focus. There we go. So because of Hurricane Ian, we're going to be stuck in tomorrow. So what we're going to do is we're going to make up a wee bag, a wee surprise bag for the wee man, just kind of get him stuff to put in. Aye. We'll just make up a wee bag. He loves a kind of surprise bag, you know, so we're going to get some stuff for him. Will I get him a wee Jiminy Cricket? Beyond Bird Groot. So, so we're going to look and see what we can find for him. Got my snap bracelet, he loves a snap bracelet. And we'll see what else we can find him. So that's quite nice, that, look.
Is that a sweatshirt like that?
Hold on.
in June, Philly.
That's when we're doing my birthday. That's one I've been in about 7, 8 years. I went to ABR. They were very Come here, bud. Come
Just through, we'll see. I'm going up to the other side, the other shop.
Hello again.
Hey, did you get any baskets?
Any
Baskets? Hi, hi.
It's a countdown to Halloween.
Candyland. Is this what we're going to deal with tomorrow, do you think? What's that?
Let's go.
There's board games actually in the Folly, isn't there? That's quite cool. We dance. I don't know. I'd probably get that. I'm sure Teresa would have something to say. So I try and get a boat. Look. Wrapping up the bands, look. They're wrapping them up and everything. There's a video for when he's 18. So that's us back in the hotel. Nicky's not so scary. Well, what would we say? Been a long time before we get back. It was very, very disappointing. Even though we totally understand there's a hurricane coming, but no parade if the roads are wet, no stage show if the stage is wet. There wasn't even a Halloween song until the very, very end. This is Halloween. That was the first and only. It was all Saturday Night Fevers and all that rubbish. So it'll be a long time before we get back. Food, fantastic. The hot dog was magic, wasn't it, Teresa?
It was really.
The Pain and Panic hot dog was absolutely fantastic. The buffalo chicken pie that I showed you, absolutely fantastic as well. Sweeties, we didn't. The sweeties were a bit of a bust as well. So dark chocolate and stuff like that, you know what we kind of like. But that is what it is. But it'll be a couple of years before we get back to it. The parade, as you seen, was 3 cars. It was as if they were doing enough to do a carol share lane. But that's it. So listen, guys, we had a great night. Even though that's what it was. So I don't know much we're going to be doing tomorrow because Hurricane Ian is meant to be hitting tomorrow. Parts are closed, Halloween Horror Nights is cancelled. So we've got nothing, everything we had planned is went by the wayside. So we're meant to do character breakfast at Chef Mickey's for brunch. That's not going to happen. Tomorrow night we're meant to be doing DVC Moonlight Magic. That's not going to happen. So I think it'll be a day in playing board games, or we'll just end up beating each other because we'll end up with sick of liking each other. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. If we get out, I'll take the camera and we'll see what we do. If not, then it won't be day 4 or day 5. It'll be day 6 if we get to do anything. Alright guys, thanks again, thanks for watching. Stay safe, look after each other. See you later on, bye bye.